Hi everybody, thank you for joining me today. I have an unboxing that I would like to share with you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and unbox it really quick and then talk about it and try it on a little bit later. So I'm very excited about this and I wanted to share it with you guys. And I hope you guys like the video. Really not sure what's in this card, but guys, it's a blank card. That's so funny. I'm going to put that away. And this is my receipt. I usually put it in this booklet. And this is just a tag, just in case if you want to give this for a gift. But I will go ahead and start the unboxing. So right now I'm holding my phone with my left hand. So I only have one hand that's working. And here I go again. I always mess this up. I'm just going to try to pull this through so I don't have to mess with that too much. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to go ahead and open it. And as you can see, it's something big. And here it is, the crazy long dust bag. Like garment bag, not dust bag, garment bag. It's like so long. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and pull it out. And here it is. So I ended up getting the hooded wrap peacoat. I'm not sure when this came out, but like if it was new for this season or if this been out for a while. I think it has been out for a while because I've seen the darker color of this. But I did ended up getting the shorter peacoat. It's not long. It's like waist wide. Just open this up. Guys, this is like so extremely difficult to do with one hand. So I think I need to do an investment in getting a stand for my camera or a stand for my phone. So this is what I got, guys. It is so cute. I'm so happy with the way that it looks. So what had happened is I had bought another coat a couple weeks ago, and I thought it was like, it was cute on, but it just seemed like so big on me. Like it was kind of like swallowing me up. Yes, I wanted that blanket look, but it was totally swallowing me up. And I decided to go with something different because the other coat, if you actually watch my video on that one, that was like super big around my waist. And I was thinking about putting a belt on it, which, it didn't make any sense that I'm buying a jacket that didn't come with a belt. So this one, I actually ended up returning that jacket and I ended up getting this one because it has a belt that comes with it. And the belt is like so cute. Look at just like all of the detail on this. And honestly, I think they were around the same price. I think I paid like $200 difference to get this coat. And I feel like with this coat, you get to see like more of this monogram on it compared to the other one. So I'm very happy with this. Like all of this detail here that has like the leather on, like the trim, it was not on the previous coat. So I feel like I'm getting a better deal with this jacket. I feel like I can wear this anytime. It has a hood that I can just pop up if my ears are cold. I don't know. I think this is totally a better deal than the previous jacket that I had bought. So I will go ahead and do some trying on for you guys. And show you just how it fits. Maybe I can help convince you guys to get this jacket because honestly, it's so absolutely beautiful. I love it. Just the detail in it is just so great. And it's so soft. It's very, very soft. The other jacket too was soft too, but and they were like about the same color. But I just feel like this one looks a little bit more richer, more chic. And you can dress it up and dress it down. I think this with like some jeans will look fine too. And you could wear a dress with it, which is awesome. Yeah, so here is the jacket. I hope when I put it on now I'm going to end up liking it because I really, I really, really want to like it. I don't want to return this one. Okay. Okay, guys, so this is what it looks like on. It's so cute. And I love the length. It could be dressy or casual. Like right now I'm wearing just a skirt and a top, but I feel like if I had jeans on or even some nice dress shorts, it would look cute. And I absolutely love this belt. It's so, so, so cute. All the leather detail. And this is just absolutely beautiful. The collar. I'll try to put this hood up. The hood up is a little big. Like it's pretty deep, I would have to say. It's really deep, like it really covers you up. I don't think I'll be using that a lot. Just gonna open it up so you guys can see what it looks like open. It has pockets on the side. It's just so cute and so warm. You can kind of fold it over so you could see the monogram. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.